Hello, this is my submission for the final assignment for cloud computing. I decided to go the route of installing OpenNebula. I guess importing OpenNebula as an appliance and just starting it up and messing around with it a little bit. So yeah, I got it here, got it going. Here is the command line. I actually did some stuff in here which was kind of fun. I'll get to that at the end though. So I got that started up. Localhost, correct port. We have the OpenNebula dashboard with obviously your different ways of viewing rights. So I, for one, prefer admin. I know that it had a switch to cloud, but I do like seeing, okay, what was my CPU looking like? Am I gonna have to pull some more memory in at some point soon? How much am I giving to certain VMs? Because I think you do get a simple view here without compromising simplicity. But again, I do like cloud a little bit. It is what it is. So I do also like the thing where in here you have the option to VNC, delete, start, reboot, whatever. I was able to get in there, but it's not really anything special. Just command line. I mean, I really dig it. This is exactly, I guess, what I thought it would be. I've never really done anything like this, but it is very interesting. Yeah, I would definitely use this somewhere. So, yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. There's really not much in here that's like, wow, this is groundbreakingly crazy. This is just a simple GUI that works. So one thing that, forget my desktop, that I used, so it had us kind of going through in this test drive, and it had us, where are we at here, doing some of this stuff. And from what I can pick up, you basically get the same stuff on the command line doing this stuff as you do in the GUI. So me being like someone who likes to script a lot, I actually wrote a little bit of a script, and then I aliased it in the bash RC file so it would be loaded every time someone logged in to OneAdmin. So I mean, if we can just SU into OneAdmin. So I'll go into my bash RC real quick. So if we go to bash RC, so at the bottom I just aliased to get info. I did an alias for the command get info on bash info.sh, which is, so I wrote a little script. You can just do cat on get info.sh, and all I did essentially was print it all out in a way that looks good. So if we do get info, you get all your stuff there, which is, I think, kind of the same idea as the GUIs. It's centralized. You click once, you type once, and you get it, what you need to know. So yeah, I did that and figured that was a really interesting way to just kind of mess around with it a little bit. It's a pretty simple lab, but I wanted to add a little bit of complexity to it. So yeah, that's what I've done, and I got everything up and running. Yeah, very cool alternative lab, I would say. Considering that Sandbox was down, I think this was a pretty good substitute. So yeah, thank you.